Hello friends, welcome to the Code One Digest channel. Code One Digest is a YouTube channel where you will find programming and technology related videos. You can find videos on the trending technologies, concepts, and learn how to build, run, and test applications from the scratch. This channel provides videos about various programming language, frameworks, and software development tools. The aim of this channel is to provide simple videos of the complex topic. Our channel content comprises of programming concepts, programming languages, design patterns, architecture principles, batch coding practices, software engineering concepts, development and testing frameworks, software development tools, but not restricted to this list. Hope this channel meets all your expectation. We will try to create content which is useful for the beginners and software engineers. Please let me know if you guys need a video on any other topic. Do like, share, and subscribe this channel for more programming and technology related videos. Thank you.